With machine stopped and end seals removed, adjust upper roll to maximum separation from lower roll using hand wheel or a motorized elevator. You may need to start rolls to move the drive chain's connecting link onto the drive sprocket. Next, proceed to your lockout, tagout procedures. Loosen drive chain take-up adjustment, removing connecting link from drive chain if necessary. You may need to remove outfeed side e-stop cable and any other equipment that may be in the way. Next, remove roll sprocket and gears from roll shaft. For larger machines, put a piece of plywood or any other rigid substrate through machine to help support upper coating roll. If using a forklift for roll removal, support end of plywood to prevent machine tip over or roll from rolling off machine. Next, lower roll with the upper elevator until plywood or substrate supports the roll and takes weight off the bearings. Remove the bolts from the bearings. You may need to loosen bearing collars and slide bearings on shaft for more clearance. Remove coating roll from outfeed side. The upper doctor roll need not be removed. Raise roll out of bearing brackets and swing short shaft end out first. Then move roll from machine. When using hoist removal, put lifting sling on roll, attach sling to hoist, and raise roll out of machine bearings. Finally, remove the bearings from the roll.